Welcome to the YouTube free sound library. Today, I'll guide you through the process of downloading free, copyright-free audio from YouTube Studio for use in your video editing projects. Step 1. Go to youtube.com and log into your account. Step 2. Access YouTube Studio. Step 3. Navigate to the audio library. Step 4. Enter the name of the song or sound effect you want to search for. Step 5. Preview, favorite, and download your preferred audio. That's it. You've successfully completed the steps to download audio for your video production. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and leave a comment. Best of luck using these sounds for your projects. Thanks for watching, and see you in our upcoming collection of the top 10 most popular sounds.